Taean County is a county in South Chungcheongdo in South Korea. Taean County is the most famous for Taean National Park, known for its clear seas, unpolluted soils, coastal flora, tidal flats, coasts, and white sand. It includes 30 different beaches. One of these, Malipo Beach, is considered one of the 3 most beautiful beaches in Korea and is over 3 kilometers long. The Taean Peninsula has a picturesque landscape with beautiful beaches, rock formations, mountain peaks, and the sea cliffs. At about 7:30 local time on 7th December 2007, a crane barge owned by Samsung Heavy Industry being towed by a tug collided with the anchored Hong Kong-registered crude carrier Hebei Spirit, carrying 260,000 tons of crude oil. The incident occurred near the port of Daesan on the Yellow Sea coast of Taean County. There were wires that affixed the crane to the tugboats. Since the strong wind were blown, one of them is snapped, and it collided with the oil tanker on the sea. Accordingly, about 12,546 kiloliter oil in total was spilled. The amount of spilled oil was 2.5 times greater than the amount of spilled oil of Sea Prince oil spill accident in 1995, which is known as the largest oil spill accident until now in South Korea. Oil has spread broadly, so January and February in 2008, it has spread to Jindo and Haenam in South Jeolla and Chudado coast of Jeju Island. The spill occurred near Malipo Beach in Taean County, considered one of South Korea's most beautiful and popular beaches. The region affected by the spill is home to one of Asia's largest wetland areas, used by migratory birds, and also contains a national maritime park and 445 sea farms. On 9th December, it was reported that the oil slick was already 33 km long and 10 m wide and 10 cm thick in some areas. It was also reported that at least 30 beaches have been affected and over half of the region's sea farms are believed to have lost their stocks due to the spill. Sindri Dune, a South Korean natural treasure, is reported to have been saturated by the spill. Although most migratory birds had not yet arrived in the region, seagulls, marine ducks, and other sea life were found there by the oil. In addition, even though many people tried to clean the oil, a known fishing village didn't get any support yet. Therefore, about 8 hectares of fish farms and fishing ground are polluted by crude oil. Furthermore, Cheonsuman, where is the habitat for migratory birds, is threatened as well. Scientists predicted that it will take more than 20 years to recover the ecosystem. Meanwhile, many volunteers came to the west coast to overcome the huge marine pollution disaster. About millions of volunteers who visited Taean County to join to remove the chunk of oil, and donations for helping to overcome disaster didn't stop. The volunteers' work was to remove the oil on the rocks on the land at the coast where it is polluted by spilled oil using old clothes and shovel. Also, the government supports many things. Besides, Samsung and crude carriers paid for indemnification for the loss of the residents in Taean County. Many volunteers and many people tried to restore it, and now the beaches are all recovered as in the past. For many volunteers' efforts, we could clean it easier and faster than what the scientists expect. However, nations are focusing in Taean region that how they struggled with destroying local economy and problems of compensation for the loss, not only destroying marine ecosystem. We could see tremendous volunteers tried hardly to restore it, and the result for hard working together was successful. Taean is revived, and it is rising once more. Finally, we achieved our dream.